After several attempts, former Defence Minister Geoffrey Mwamba GBM has partially secured victory in his legal battle. This was after the Kasama High Court ruled his imprisonment does not strip him of the right to medical treatment. However, his request to be evacuated to South Africa and India for specialized healthcare remains in limbo, as the court is yet to decide on the specific relief. The ruling follows an application filed by Mwamba on the 13th of January 2025, in which he sued the Attorney General, alleging that the state violated his constitutional right to healthcare. He argues that since his incarceration at the Mwembeshi Maximum Prison, the Zambia Correctional Service has continuously refused to facilitate his travel abroad for specialized medical attention. Mwamba was sentenced to 5 years in prison with hard labor in October 2024 after being convicted on multiple corruption-related charges by the Economic and Financial Crimes Court Division of the Subordinate Court. Since then, concerns have been raised about his health, prompting his legal team to seek intervention from the courts. In its judgment, the Kasama High Court affirmed Mwamba's claim that he has a fundamental right to access medical treatment despite being a convicted prisoner. The court emphasized imprisonment does not neglect an individual's entitlement to healthcare services. Out of the 4 reliefs Mwamba is seeking, only this one is seemingly succeeding. The court did not immediately grant his request for evacuation, stating it needs to further deliberate on 2 key demands. Number 1, a mandatory order compelling the Attorney General to facilitate his immediate transfer to South Africa and India for specialized treatment. Number 2, permission to travel to South Africa and India at his own cost, accompanied by a prison officer to receive medical attention. The court has reserved its ruling on these requests, leaving uncertainty over whether Mwamba will be allowed to seek treatment abroad or be required to rely on the Zambian prison healthcare system. With the 2 crucial reliefs still undecided, Mwamba's legal team is expected to continue pushing for his medical evacuation, arguing the state has an obligation to ensure for his well-being. On the other hand, government may contend Zambia's medical facilities are capable of handling his condition, making international travel unnecessary. For now, GBM remains behind bars at the Mwembeshi Maximum Prison, awaiting the court's final decision on whether he will be granted the opportunity to seek specialized care outside the country. Reporting for Crown TV News, Anna Mwila in Lusaka.